How we're going to create a website in less than 20 minutes. So let's start. First, you need to download a particular software. The software can be downloaded from here. First, before you're going to download it, you can subscribe to this channel. This is a good channel for you guys to learn about anything about computing. So this is the site from which you can download the software. So you can just scroll it down. So click on download free trial. You can try this one first before you're going to download the whole software, so that you have an idea on what you will be acquiring before you're going to buy it. So upon downloading this one, let's say if I've already downloaded the software. Actually, I already did. So I'm just going to open it, install it. Well, the thing is, I've already installed it on my computer as well. So I don't need to install this one anymore. But instead, I'm going to open it. So just click on the start menu. So this is it. Click on that one. I'm going to click on try standard edition since we're just trying to try the software as of the moment. So I have a couple of designs in here to choose from depending upon the theme of the website that you're going to create. So let's say if I'm going to create some sort of a professional looking website, I'm just going to click on this one. Now once we will be able to load up the program environment, so this is the program environment right now. So all you need to do is just to know the panels, the different panels. The first thing that you're going to need to remember is the viewing experience. So under the viewing experience, you'll be able to check on the different views on how your website would look like if ever you're going to use a tablet, if ever you're going to use mobile devices in a landscape mode, or even if you're going to use a mobile device on a portrait mode. So this is how it's going to look like. Now let's go back to the desktop mode. If ever you want to add, before we're going to add additional panels for this, we need to know the different what they call this, tools to use. So first we have this one. Of course, this is pretty much familiar because this is present in all Microsoft Windows applications and programs. So this is called the file menu bar. This one is the pages panel, and what else? That's it. So let's start. So if you want to change this area, just click on that one. Then you can choose from different designs that you have from your file. If you have a Photoshop PNG file, you can change this one, since this is just a PNG format file inserted in here. So if you want to change this one as well, you can just remove it and provide it with a different PNG file, or you can just double click on this one. Oh, this is a text file. So let's say this is just a sample. Oh, what's wrong with me? Site. Then ABC company. There you go. So that's how easy it is. Now as you can see in here, we have two pages. If you want to add multiple pages in your website, you can simply right click in here, then just click a new page. Then if you want to name that page as, let's say, about us, there you go. Automatically you will be able to see the preview in here. There. If you want to check on the content, all you need to do is just to hover your mouse in here, provide a content for the about us. So let's say about us. So whatever you want to type in there, it's as easy as that, and automatically you will be able to see the preview of the website that you're trying to create. Now if you want to change the image, all you need to do is just to click on the header image. Then under the image area, you can choose from different templates. Now if you don't like the templates that you have in here, there you go, this is a PNG file. You can click on from file. Then if you're going to browse it, you have the Photoshop image with you, an uncopyrighted image, and just click on browse, then place it in there. Automatically it will be resized. Now aside from that, let's say you want to save your website. If you're done editing it, let's say I'm going to save this one, just click on export, then click on website template. Now if ever you're going to purchase this version, the full version of this one, then aside from saving it or exporting it into a website template, you can still be able to what they call this, restore the project file. So that's the downfall or the drawback of this software, because if you're not going to purchase this one, then you might need to be final with what you're trying to do. So I'm going to click on export, click on website template. I'm going to find the place where I'm going to save it. Let's say I'm going to save it on my desktop. Now if you have a WAMP server with you, then you can directly export it in there. So I'm going to click on desktop, then type in my first site. There you go. Click on OK. File name for this is first site. Export. We're going to wait for a couple of moments for it to be exported. Now, the export has been successfully completed. If you want to check that one out, it's in here. Usually it is in a compressed file format, so you need to have a WinRAR or WinZip installed or any compression software installed in your computer for it to be extracted. So just right click on that one, extract here. There you go. So this is how your what they call this, the files of your website would look like. Now if you have a free hosting website already, well, actually the free hosting website tutorial is on a separate video, which is also in this page, so you can check it out, check that one out as well. So just click on the index.html, then you will be able to see your website. There you go. So that's how you're going to create a website in less than 20 minutes.